Arfi. I am back with another one of my clothing hauls. In the previous video, I had told that I will be coming back with a new video where I will be talking about only skirts. So in this particular video, I will be talking more about skirts. I think there is one or two tops, I'm not sure. But majority of the products that I will be talking about in this video are skirts. If you guys are new to my channel, then please go to my YouTube channel and check out all the previous videos I have uploaded. I have uploaded a lot of different types of clothing. I have uploaded formal tops and casual westerns and a lot of, I think I've posted 2-3 skirts here and there as well, and a lot of kurtis as well. So you guys please make sure that you guys go and check out my previous videos, and I've also posted a link in all of the description boxes of each and every single video. So you guys make sure that you go and check them out. Also, I'm repeating this again, but the prices that I say in my video are the prices as on that day, or at most 1 or 2 days. So when you guys go and check out the product that I have posted in the description box in a video, the price might not be the same. This is because the prices differ day by day, so but it's fine, it's not going to be a major change. So just make sure that you guys subscribe to my channel so that the minute I post a new video, you guys can immediately go to the product in the Ajio app or whichever app I'm talking about, and you can immediately purchase it at the price that I got it for. Okay, so I will start on with this video now. This is the first product that I am going to be talking about in this video. This is actually my mom ordered this for herself, but then the size, the thing about this product is they don't have, you know, an elastic over here. They don't have an elastic, and neither do they have that tying thing that most skirts come with. They just have these buttons and a zip. So when you order this product, it has to fit you properly, else you can't actually use this product. And since I'm a size small or a medium, I can't use this as well. This is a size large, but it's still, you know, not fitting my mom. So so you guys need to make sure that you need to order the right size, else the other alternative that you guys can do, if you by mistake order a size that is not true to your body, you will just have to get it altered. So that's the only alternative option you guys have, and that's what we are going to do as well. Now when I'm talking about this product, as you can see, it's got a very simple print. It's not, you know, some exaggerated print. It's quite simple. The only thing that, you know, stands out about this product is this really big border that this product has, and this product also has a slit in the side, and it's, you know, it's not like a very big slit or something, so it's not going to be too revealing and all. It's just from your knee that the slit, not even from your knee, I think a little bit below your knee is where this slit starts. What you can do with this product is you can, you know, pair it up with a crop top or a long top, or you can even pair it up with a churidar if you're creative enough. So that is what you can do with this. So I wouldn't say it's entirely western. It's like, you know, semi-western and semi-traditional. You can wear this to family gatherings. You can also wear it to, you know, these evening parties, or you can wear it to several occasions, as long as you are willing to, you know, customize and, you know, pair this up with a good top. I'm gonna lift this product up so you guys can see what it looks like. This is what it looks like from the front, and this is what it looks like at the back. As you can see, it looks the same at the front also and at the back also. So it's like a, you know, a uniform pattern that this skirt has. Now talking about the material of this product, it's like a what do you call it, some running material or something. It's a very flowy sort of material. It's not cotton material, so when you wear it, it's just going to look like it's flowing. So that's about this product. Now I got this from the official Ajio brand. As you can see here, the price is 1,499, but when I ordered this product, I got it for 525 rupees. So if you guys are seeing this video right now, like just if you're really interested in this product, then go right now and purchase the product, because you might get it at the same price that I got it for. Else if you delay, then, you know, the price might, you know, fluctuate and all of that. So if you guys are interested in this product, then go immediately and, you know, purchase it. So that is about this product. The next product I'm talking about is again a skirt. So this is the skirt. Now this product, contrary to the previous product, is a cotton material. but it's very bunched up. It's like a crushed material sort of product. So the previous product was very body fitting is what I can say, but this skirt is gonna make it look a little puffy. So you can wear this also with, you can literally experiment with these types of skirts. It's not limited to a certain type of shirt itself. You can wear it with a top, you can wear it with a crop top, or you can even wear it with a kurti. So you can wear it with whatever you want. Now this skirt, if you look at the top part of this skirt, it also has an elastic. As you can see, I'm stretching it. It has an elastic, and it also comes with this tying thing. So even if you by mistake order a size that is too large for you or too small for you, you can always just adjust it with the straps that they have given, and because it is elastic, you can still make do with the product that you have ordered. Now this has a little very traditional sort of print. The border is also a little it's quite thick, but the design is quite nice is what I can say. So this is what the border looks like. Because this product has several shades. It has green, blue, yellow, pink and red. You can wear this with all these shades of tops. It's not limited to wearing it with a black top or a red top. You can wear it with a blue top or a yellow top, or any top that literally suits this product. So I'm going to lift it up so you can see what this product looks like. Now this is what this product looks like at the front, and this is what this product looks like at the back. It's the exact same print at the front and at the back as well. This is what the product looks like on the outside. Now on the inside, it just has this one red colored cloth material, and this is not full length. It just comes up to probably your knees or something, but it's fine. This is not like a transparent transparent skirt. Now this skirt is again from this brand Bronze. I have posted another, I think a shirt that I had gotten from this brand as well in one of my previous videos. So basically what I can say about this brand is that they have really good clothes and stuff. So go check out my previous videos for the shirt that I have gotten from this brand. Now the price stated in the tag of this product is rupees 949, but I got this for a price of 358 rupees only. So as you can see, I got it at a very lesser price. Hey guys, the previous video got cut. I got a call, so I'm continuing back where I left off. I think I've spoken everything about this product. If you want to look at the thread of this product, it just has this one button, so it adds a sort of look to this product. That's all about this product. Now I will be talking about the next product, which is this grey colored skirt. It's a plain skirt. It doesn't have a lot of prints or anything, but if you look at the border of this product, it has this sort of very intricate design over here. That is the only thing about this product. But if you look at the top part of this product, it has an elastic, so it's quite stretchable, but that is only at the back. So the elastic is only at the back of the product. The front of the product just has this one plain thing. Now I'm going to lift up this product so you can see what it looks like from the front. This is what it looks like from the front, and this is what this product looks like at the back. Now this product is also a cotton material. As you can see, it's very soft. It's not like a little rough or anything. It's extremely soft, and this also sort of looks bunched up, so when you wear it, it's not like body fitting or anything. It's going to look puffy and all of that. Now the brand of this is also the original Agio brand. I got this for a price of rupees the tag of the product states the price of rupees 1,299, but I got this product for a price of only 480. So if you guys really like this product, I suggest you guys go right now and purchase the product to avoid any increase in the price, because I'm pretty sure the prices keep changing every day. So if you guys want it for the price I got it at, then just go right now and get the product. It's not a transparent sort of material. It's a sort of opaque material itself. It does not have any additional clothing on the inside. It's just this one layer of clothing on the outside, but you don't have to worry about it being transparent or anything. It's quite it's not see-through at all. So that's about this product. Now I will be moving on to the next product, which is this top. I really like this top actually, because if you look at it, wait, yeah, it starts here. Because just by looking at it, you know that it has that sort of rich vibe from it. I mean, look at all these fancy buttons that they have given. This entire part is it stops right here. Okay, so from the top till the bottom, up to this point, it has buttons, and then from the lower part onwards, it is a split. It's just split. So it's not a sort of top that covers up what you're wearing from the waist onwards. So you can pair this up with a pencil pant or leggings or a long skirt. You can literally pair it up with anything. This is not like limited to one certain part of a certain type of clothing or anything. You can wear this with anything. This has a very fancy print from here onwards. As you can see, it just has these little prints over here, but the bottom part of this top has this sort of bordering over here, and the same print is also there on the top part, as you can see over here. So it has the same thing on the top. Now these sleeves are sort of half sleeves, and the thing I really liked about this is the collar design that they have given. Now this collar design sort of gives it an international look, is what I can say. It's got a very fancy collar. The brand of this product is this brand called Vishuddh, and the tag of the product states a price of $9.99, but I got this for a price of only $4.99. Also guys, this product is not from Ajio. I got this product from Myntra, so I'm just mentioning that. Myntra also has a lot of good clothing, so you guys can go check out their app as well. Now I'm gonna lift it up so you can see what this product looks like from the front. So this is what it looks like with the slit in the front. So when you wear it, it is also going to show off your bottom wear. Now the back of the product looks like this. At the back there isn't any sort of new design or anything. It is the same print that they have given in the front as well. Now the material of this product is very runny, so it's a sort of it's not cotton material, it's a sort of running material, and it's quite flowy, to be honest. So this is what this is about this product. It does not have any sort of tying things or any elastic or anything. It's just one straight up top that you guys can wear. So this is about this product. I will also be putting up a link of this product, but guys, this is from Myntra, this is not from Ajio, so I'm just stating that. This next product is also from Myntra. This is also not from Ajio, and this is also okay, so this product is I can say it's a very bright red, so it's going to stand out if you wear it to family gatherings. The material about this product, my mom says it's some A-line dress. I don't really have a lot of knowledge about these traditional, these extremely traditional thingies, but what you can do with this product is, guys, if you focus over here in the bottom part of this kurta, this dress, it has a sort of slit over here. It's not a very prominent slit, it's just from, not even from your, I think it's from your mid calf, so it's not a very big slit or something. It's just about this much. So what you can do with this product is you can just wear it like that as a one piece, and pair it up with really fancy looking slippers. So it's going to add a sort of look to your product, because the bottom part of your body is going to be a little exposed from the leg part onwards. But what you can also do with this product is you can wear it with leggings or cigarette pants or even a skirt, so it's going to look very fancy. That is what you can do. Now if you look at the detailing that they've done over here, it's a very nice print that they've given. It's not too overly done or anything. It's it just makes the product look very rich and fancy. Similar to the previous product, the buttons start at the top right over here and they go all the way till the bottom. And the collar, this is what the collar of the product looks like. So this is what the collar looks like. Sorry, there are a lot of tags over here. So this is what it looks like. And the sleeves of this product are, as you can say, 3/4 sleeves or something. And the thing I like about this product is that these sleeves are folded. So it's not going to give a sort of polished look or something. It's going to look quite casual and free and stuff. So but they also have a button, so if you want you can, you know, extend the length of the sleeves, but I prefer keeping them this way because it just sort of looks nice and adds to the look of the product. So that is about the material of the product and the look. I'm gonna lift it up so you guys can see what it looks like. This is what it looks like at the front. I'm gonna lift it up a little higher so you can see the slit part of the product. So as you can see, the slit is not like very big or something, it's quite small to be honest. Now the back of the product, this is what the back of the product looks like. There aren't any additional designs or anything, it's the same pattern itself. So that is about what the product looks like from the front and the back. Now the brand of this product is the same brand. It's from the brand of Vishuddh. Wait, I'll just find the proper tag. Yeah, so it's from the brand of Vishuddh, and the price states a price of 2049 rupees, but I purchased this for a price of 615. Guys, I'd say this is a very good deal. I mean, think about it, an outfit that is selling for 2000 on the tag, but I got it only for like 600 rupees. That's not even half a discount, that's more than half a discount that I have gotten it for. So I would really recommend purchasing this product, because if you look at it, it just doesn't just give you a, you know, a simple traditional look. It actually has that sort of rich vibe from it. So that's what I can say about this product. Also, the thing I liked about the buttons is that it is not, you know, these basic black buttons or something that, you know, sort of color coordinate with the product. Since they've given these brown buttons over here, it adds a sort of additional extra look to this product. So that is what I really liked about this product. So that's about this product, guys. Now I will be moving on to the next product, which is the last product that I will be talking about in this video. Now this is a basic top, you guys. It's not like, you know, something overly fancy or something. Sorry, let me just get this out. Okay, yeah. So this is basically this top. As you can see here, this also has a, you know, very casual sort of printing and designing that it has gotten. It's just this sort of design over here. You guys focus on this part of the product. If you see here, it sort of, you know, splits outwards like this. So the left side of this top has that designing. It continues all the way from the top towards this part. But then the right side of this has a plain sort of design. So, you know, it gives you that contrast sort of look. So suppose you wear this with, you know, leggings or a skirt or something. Towards the left side, it will have this really fancy design. And towards the right side, it's just going to be this plain cloth. So, you know, it gives you two types of designs. That is what I really liked about this product. It's got these, you know, golden colored patterns over here, and the material is also a silk material. Now the product is a sleeveless product, but they've given you these attached sleeves, and I can't really find them. Anyways, so that is what they have given. Now this product is from this brand of Fusion, as you can see here, and the tag of the product states a price of rupees 799. But I purchased this product for only a price of 275. Also, guys, this product is from Ajio itself. Only the previous two products were from Myntra, but this product is from Ajio. The color is not black. I think in the video it might sort of look black in color. It's a sort of dark navyish blue color. It's not completely black. So, you know, when you wear it on contrast skirts, or you can even wear it on top of jeans, it's a sort of, you know, not limited to one certain type of product. Now this is what it looks like from the front. As you can see, the product splits in the middle, splits at the bottom, and this is what it looks like at the back of the product. At the back of the product, as you guys have seen, it hasn't got much designing. It's just a plain cloth, but it's the front of the product that, you know, gathers all the attention and everything. So as I was saying, you can wear it with jeans also if you're going for a sort of non-traditional look, but it will also look a little bit traditional because the top more or less bends towards the traditional side. So if you wear it with jeans, you can wear it if you're going to college or something where your college requires a kurti as your your uniform code. You can wear this top and go. It looks very grand from the front. So that is about this product. Also, as I've already mentioned earlier, this is a silk material, so it's not, you know, going to sort of rigidly sit on your body. It's a sort of flowing in nature. So that is what that's about this product. So that's all for this video. I have spoken about a few skirts as well as few tops, not only from the brand of Ajio but also from Myntra. Now in the coming up videos I will be posting a lot of I'm not just going to stick to traditional clothing or western clothing. I'm also going to be purchasing a lot of different types of products, so you guys stay tuned to find out what additional sort of products I'm going to be buying. I will be doing that in the coming up videos. Don't worry guys, I will be posting a link of all these products in the description box. So if you're interested in any particular product, just go down to the description box and it will redirect you to the app where I purchased it from, and you can purchase it for yourself as well. If you're new to this channel, I'm repeating it again, do check out my previous videos that I have posted. I've already posted a couple of videos, and there are a lot of different varieties of clothes that I have spoken about in those videos as well. So you guys make sure you guys go and check it out, and please like, share and subscribe to my videos if you really like what I'm doing. And I'm gonna make sure that I come up with a lot of different sort of products to talk about in my coming up clothes hauls. So make sure you guys like, share and subscribe to my videos.